This picture gives information about climate zones for temperature and humidity. According to the picture, the yellow largest area has hot dry summer and cold winter, which is in the middle of Australia. However, the blue smallest area enjoys cool temperature. It is in the southeast of Australia. Other areas' conditions include hot humid, warm humid, temperature, and so on. To sum up, different areas in Australia have different climates.
The line chart shows us uninsured and insured population in the U.S. It seems that the figure of uninsured is always higher than that of insured. Then, the percentage of uninsured is almost 5% higher than that of insured. In the last year, the figure of uninsured is about 25 million, and that of insured is about 20 million. The data indicates that both uninsured and insured populations are rising.
The following graph gives information about Australian population density. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. According to this graph, Melbourne and Sydney are the most populated city in Australia. In comparison, the smallest population is in the middle of Australia. You can see from this graph that Queensland will become the third largest populated city in Australia. To sum up, this graph tells about Australian population density. The image shows a combination chart comparing monthly precipitation and average temperature. Precipitation stays fairly stable throughout the year, between 70 and 120 millimeters. Temperature increases from January, peaks in July around 23 degrees Celsius, and then declines steadily. The lowest temperatures occur in January and December. Overall, the chart reflects a typical seasonal climate pattern with warm summers and cold winters.
The image illustrates the distribution of the world's water. About 97.5% is salt water, while only 2.5% is fresh water. Of all fresh water, nearly 69% is locked in glaciers and snow, and 30% is groundwater. Only 1.22% is easily accessible, found in lakes, soil, atmosphere, and rivers. Rivers hold just 0.006%, and plants and animals hold the least. Overall, the chart highlights how limited usable freshwater truly is on Earth.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.